Hey everyone, my name is James Lemonias and I'm the VP of Client Success here at Paymode-X. Today we're going to talk about 4 questions that every AP team should ask for selecting an AP automation partner. So the first question that you should be asking is, how is the solution provider protecting your payments and ensuring that they're being processed securely? Some of the things that you want to think about and make sure that you're vetting are, what is their authentication process? What are the best practices that they use to ensure their payments are processed securely and that they're enrolling vendors that are who they say they are. So do they have a security team? Do they outsource that security team, or is it in-house? These are the types of things that you want to be asking as you're vetting solutions. For example, at Paymodex, we have an in-house security team that's highly experienced and highly skilled. In just the past 4 years, we've processed nearly $1 trillion in spend with 0 instances of fraud. So the second question that you want to be asking when you're vetting an AP automation solution is, what is their approach to vendor enablement? So you want to understand how they're going about campaigning to and enrolling your vendors, what the message is, what we call them levers of adoption, what levers of adoption are being used to ensure that they're seeing the value of receiving payments electronically. So at Paymodex, we have a dedicated client success team that is going to work with you to make sure that you are fully engaged in the vendor enrollment campaign. You're in agreement on this overall strategy and the messaging that we're using to make sure that that campaign is as effective as possible. The third question that you want to ask is, what does the technical implementation look like? So a few important questions to keep in mind. One, how does the vendor integrate with your ERP? Is that done via APIs? Do they have ERP connectors? Is it a flat file integration? You also want to get a sense of how long will it take? Is this going to be a full year process, or can we do this in 30 days? The fourth thing that you want to make sure that you ask is, how will your program be supported to drive results long term? So yes, you're going to be supported during the technical implementation, but after that point, what does support look like? How is your program continuing to be optimized and improved over time so that you're not just capturing your vendors on day one, but you're also doing that consistently and, as we say, continuously over the course of your entire payment program. So for me personally, running a customer success team, it's really important that you ask these questions so that you as a customer are going to be successful long term. All right, so those are the 4 questions that you want to make sure that you're asking when you're vetting an AP automation solution. Most importantly, make sure that you're partnering with a good company that's going to put you and your values first.